So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys an exercise that I've been doing to work on my figure drawing skills and make your poses feel less static. If you don't know already, my name is Austin and welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining. For the past year, I've really been trying to crack down on my drawing and focus on the areas I kind of like skipped over that I feel like a lot of people end up skipping over, which is the boring stuff, figure drawing. Everybody wants to jump and draw something really cool, but if you skip over the basics, you really kind of hurt yourself. So in this drill, we're going to focus on quantity over quality. And that's because we really want to not focus on perfection, because we want to get as many, it's about repetition. We want to get as many drawings in as we can in a short period of time. And so I use a site called Sketch Daily. I'll post a link for that in the description for you guys. It allows you to like set timers and it has a lot of different good reference images and things like that. So if you don't already know about it, I mean, it's a pretty popular site, but if you don't know about it, it's a really good site to work on this kind of thing. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Also, I'll have commentary throughout the video to kind of explain things as I go. So let's get into the video. So this first guy, kind of right out the bat, thought it was pretty cool. Got a samurai to draw. But difficult part was, you had to kind of imagine where his legs were at. So I did struggle with that with some of these poses, because there was like, I don't know, I mean, I'm sure it was to kind of show like the folds of the clothing and everything, but unlike this girl, she was pretty easy to see the figure. I wanted to focus on like the curve of the spine and stuff, but like some of these people are just wearing like full-on dresses, and I'm just like, I don't even know what way your legs are going. Like this girl, I mean, I think that's her knee that's up. So, but it kind of caused me to run out of time a few times. This guy, real baggy clothes. But I mean, I like drawing a lot of my characters with baggy pants. So, but again, his leg kind of looked weird without quite knowing. Girl in a dress. I mean, I didn't know what way her legs were going, so I think I got frustrated. You can see me get frustrated a couple times if you just watch my face. These were pretty cool, the breakdancing poses that they had. I could see like, using those in like some fighting styles. This girl's badass. She popped up a couple times. Kind of like Michonne on Walking Dead. Kind of reminds me. Another dancer pose. Dress that I can't see where your back foot is. I think that's it poking out right there. But these poses are really like, you're trying to get the flow more than the anatomy. I mean, because you can already tell like if it's gonna look stiff or not. But the flow is what we want first, and then we can work out kind of actual anatomy and whatnot. This guy kind of a little weird, but it's a pretty stiff pose, but hey, I'll take it. It's the greatest pirate I've ever seen. Didn't finish that one. Pretty cool perspective pose here. Another breakdancing pose. Pretty cool too. Uses a lot of perspective. I've been trying to practice perspective more because I feel like that's a key missing piece in a lot of my art. Adorable. I don't think I got to the puppy, but yep. But what was messing me up too a lot was I kept, if you see here, I kept trying to minimize what I was working on and keep it all in one layer. So I don't know. I was messing up a lot. It's all good. Still got some practice in. It's not about perfection. Remember that. That's what causes frustration, at least for me. You get discouraged. Pretty cool twist of the hips. Some kind of cyberpunk, I guess. I don't know what she's going for there, but pretty cool. Looks like a mage or something, like a blood elf from WoW. Minus the ears. Cool perspective pose. I think I restarted there. I streamed all this on my mixer too, so if you guys ever want to catch me just streaming this live, check me out on my mixer. I'll put that in the description too. Michonne's back. Pretty cool. Sometimes legs look so weird, I swear. This dude showing off. Another weird leg pose. Ooh, didn't get that one. Pretty cool. I don't know. I like this fighter pilot outfit that she has. What is that? Yeah, her helmet. Oh god. My cat just jumped up here. I think this is the last one here I got to. I think. I don't know. No, this isn't it. Quiet, Austin. Pretty easy to see this one though. I'm sorry if the sketches aren't as I should have used like a darker pen. I'll do that next time if you guys want more of these types of videos, so it's easier to see on video. I could see it, but I didn't realize like it was gonna be that faint. So apologies. I feel like these look back poses are always hard too. You gotta kind of twist everything. Jump attack. These, without perspective, a lot of times too, these look like you're just like kind of squatting. So. Breakdancer. Pretty cool sitting pose, you know.
Sitting poses look pretty, boring a lot of times, so this one has a little feel to it. A lot of times I struggle with twisting the torso, so that's something I've been working on. I just I don't know, I can't decide on a. I mean, I know the shape it should be, but it's like my brain just wants to play with it, and sometimes I guess I play with it too much. If that makes any sense. This is the last one I got to for this video. Nice little arching pose. That's it.
That's it for today's video, guys. Try to do this exercise as long as you can. Today I did it for an hour and managed to get, several drawings in. As you can see, I didn't complete every single one, but that's because sometimes I still get caught up on like oh, that arm looks weird, and my perfectionist kicks in, and then the timer just, you end up running out of time because you only got 60 seconds. So, but you do this enough and you'll really start to see an improvement in your drawings. And if you like this video, you know what to do. But if you don't, subscribe, please.